This is a 360 video. It means that you can look in any direction by moving your finger on your phone or your mouse or your VR unit, and you will see what I saw in any direction. Usually with any camera you would have to look in the same direction that I'm pointing, but with 360 you can look in any direction. Try it on your phone, your computer, or with your VR and look in any direction to see what I am seeing. You may have to look at this video several times to pick up, because when you're looking in one direction you're missing stuff in another direction. Enjoy. So in this video we are looking at the TOCO Beach, one of them. In this particular area there are some lovely old vintage houses overlooking the beach. If you know where to look, you'll be able to see them. You can zoom in, zoom out, as I said earlier. However, if you aren't using, the latest phone or the latest app, or maybe your computer is not so slow, things may not look as sharp as they should. This kind of video is best used on a system where it's up to date. Your CPU or whatever can handle a lot of graphic content all at the same time. Some viewers say sometimes it looks pixelated, meaning blurred. But really everything is sharp. It's in 5.6K, so it's very sharp. If you're not seeing it that way, you may want to use a different computer or phone to view. But really, you don't want to see something like this on your phone. It's best viewed on a very large screen where you could take in everything, so it will make you feel like you're really there. And in this particular spot, there are little places to sit down, places to relax, and if you notice, there's nobody here. And this is part of a road trip I made in June for the whole TOCO area, and the actual road trip I will put in another video, but in this one we just want to relax, look at the scenery and enjoy. So let's look at TOCO Beach, take in everything. Look one way, look the other, look anyhow you like, because you can look in any direction. And of course, I always appreciate you watching. Please share with your friends, like, and share your views in the comments. It's always appreciated having you here. Thanks so much.